Mr. Roberto Gavazzi, thanks that we can have this interview with you in this amazing showroom here in Milan. Mr. Gavazzi, how smart has the kitchen of the future to be?
It has to be very smart because people need to love to stay in a kitchen, not just cook efficiently, nicely, and enjoy the taste of food, but it's really a place where you stay well, where you enjoy staying there, because it's the place really where the whole family wants to stay all together. It's the place where the conviviality of your home expresses its best. So, frankly, we have to think more and more to create a warm, pleasant ambience where everything is studied to make you happy, to make you feel good. So it's not just technicality, but it's very much quality of life.
What does smart mean in terms of design for you?
Well, it means trying to be extremely new, extremely different, extremely innovative, but in a clever way, in a sense that you don't have to do just strange things to show that you are different from the other ones, but offer the exact product that the market needs in a very clever way. So this is very much research on everything.
It's not just about electrification, but also about smart solutions. How do you see that?
Well, solutions have to be found in a lot of different aspects. One aspect is the design, one is the material you use, one is the technicalities of some functions. Other ones are to add different elements that are not common in a kitchen, like more lights in a certain way, or more sound, or more smell, adding sensations that create a special feeling for you in a place where you want to stay well.
What do you think, in which directions are kitchens developing in the future?
This I will not tell you because it's a secret, of course. So, no, I think the evolution again is very much to be part of a whole. The kitchen is not, since many years, not anymore a separate space. It's a space that has a dialogue with the rest of the home. So the more you are happy, you're happy. You're able to to create a total way of living that is of good quality. So integrate your kitchens with the rest of your home. The better you deliver something nice for your customer. So we, as Boffi de Padova, that we are a complete company treating the whole interiors, I think we have something more than a traditional typical producer of just kitchens, because we treat everything, including door separation solutions like we have here, for instance, in the back. Doors are extremely important, partitions, so this kind of structural architectural pieces that you can move, open, close, make transparent, or make in solid solutions like here. These are extremely important to provide something special in your project.
Mr. Gavazzi, do you think that servo drive, the electrification, is a product for the future?
But certainly yes, because it's something that provides a nice solution for reaching objects in different positions. Adding these kind of nice tools that simplify the way of working in a kitchen is certainly something that people appreciate very much.
How do you like our new product Revego, this pocket system?
But you are a fantastic partner for us. You provide always the best in terms of technology. So we are extremely happy to introduce your new solutions because they are really in line with what we need. Of course, the quality of your research and development of your group helps us a lot to go in the direction of offering something always in line with the needs of the market.
That makes us happy. Mr. Gavazzi, maybe one personal question. Which is the corner or the place in this fantastic showroom that you personally like the most?
But every time I find a new corner, or we try to, or they try in my company to invent new corners where I feel even more comfortable than before. It's a matter really of comfort. The comfort is not just physical. It's not just sitting nicely or standing nicely. It's really a perception that you have to have. I like very much the two windows, especially the window here downstairs. But the window with the new product that we have today, I think it's really a beautiful place. I'm sure everybody likes it more or less.
Mr. Gavazzi, what makes Boffi unique?
Unique, I think it's the quality, I hope people see this, the quality of the project that you read over the years and over the time. When you have a consistent, coherent project that as much as possible is in line with what people want and you provide quality to people, as I was saying before, I think that you are appreciated more than maybe if you just work on products or commercial items. If your idea is to consistently do well your project, and this project is appreciated as special, and it is different but in an excellent way, and not the difference that is not excellent. So being different in excellence, it's not an easy task. If you're able to do that, I think you can keep your brand as something very, very special. And you have to communicate it very well and be consistent also in the way you are, like I think we try to do in these showrooms and the showrooms that we have all over the world. Everybody, when they come into a showroom of Boffi, they have to immediately have this perception of sophistication.
So, Mr. Gavazzi, thanks a lot that you took the time to answer these questions. It was a pleasure for me to be here with you.
Oh, thank you very much. Blum is an excellent partner, as I was saying. Go on working in research like you keep doing, and we will be partners forever.